Greetings to everyone. I am going to bake chocolate cookies. The ingredients are all-purpose flour, vanilla, brown sugar, white sugar, 2 large eggs, salt, baking soda, baking powder, chocolate chips, and unsalted butter. And of course, our baking sheet. In a bowl, first, combine the softened butter, brown sugar, and white sugar. Using a spatula and a whisker. Mix thoroughly the butter and the sugar until well combined. White sugar first. Add the eggs to mix it smoothly. Followed by the brown sugar. Mix well, then add the vanilla. Mix again, then set aside. Now let's combine all the dry ingredients. Mix using a whisker. Now let's combine our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Put the half first and mix well. Put the remaining half and mix well. Our cookie batter is almost done. Now let's add half of the chocolate chips, and the remaining half will be used for toppings later. Mix well. Now it's done, let's form the cookies. Form a circle 1 inch apart. Using your fingers, Flatten the cookies. Let's preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Put chocolate chips on top of the cookies, as many as you want. Our first batch. Bake it for 5 to 7 minutes. While waiting, do the second batch of cookies. Just repeat the procedure. Our cookies are now cooked. Easy to make and simple to bake. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. God bless.